Hello friends, welcome to my channel Picturefind. Today we are going to learn how to create amazing 3D art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First click on File, New, create a document. Your document is ready. Now click on Adjustment layer, Solid color. Select any color. Then press OK. And second, we just select a cube, place like rectangle, select a blank layer, go to Adjustment layer, select solid color. I select this color, then press OK. Take a blank layer again and merge this both layer. This was the simplest process of making 3D cube. So just click on 3D. Yes. Okay. This one is perfect for my artwork. Remove this shadow. Select this area and select the color of your 3D box. I select this one and go to 3D and select Render 3D layer. Okay, take a layer, go to Adjustment layer and select both layer and merge it. Select images. This one is our first image. Just drag and drop. Just hold Shift and place like that. So again, make this one duplicate and place this one in that portion. Sorry, delete this one and select again this one and place this one in that area and Control minus, adjust this image as per your document. Hold Control, go to Window, Arrange, Workspace, Essential. Add another image. So this one is our second image. We just cut this one from this area and simply place this one in our new document. So I just place this one, Control minus, adjust this one by holding any corner of this image. Hold Control. Okay, then select this one, select a mask layer, go to Brush, make opacity 36%, make foreground color black and simply apply this. So you can see that the effect is almost come out so great. And select a new blank layer, go to Brush and select black color of this areas. Do the same thing, select one more image and this one is another image and simply select this one and just place like this and adjust your image. Okay, select this one, take a new mask layer, go to Brush and apply this. Hold Control and simply place this one like this. So again select mask and go to Brush and apply this. So you can see that the 3D effect is almost come out. And our next work, we just place a sea in this portion. This one is our ship image, we place this one later. So our next work, we just provide amazing fantasy look. Like, first deselect this one and go to your selection tool and simply select this layer. So this one is very interesting part, so just follow the step. Select this one very carefully. So this one is selected. Select or place this one in your new document. Control minus. First place this one in that portion. Okay. Select a mask brush. First we just place this one very properly. Okay. Go to edit, transform and warp. Okay. Select mask, go to brush and remove this extra areas. Again duplicate this one, and this time we just place this one in this area. Hold Control, place this one perfectly. So this one is placed perfectly, and do the same thing. Just click on mask and remove these lines, extra lines. So this one is done. Just duplicate this one more time. Hold Control and place this one in that area. So it's almost look like a cube C. Okay, and again duplicate this one and our last area. So this is the last area of our 3D effect. So we can get the complete 3D effect of our 3D cube. So this one is almost done, and our next work, we are going to add a C in that portion. So I just add this C image. I just select this one and simply place this one in our new artwork. So just adjust this one, place behind this. First adjust this corner. Okay, and select this layer, brush, so we can see that, and we just adjust this color by hue saturation. Okay, so we can see the C is almost completed, and our next work, this is our ship image. This image is AI generated, so you can't get the link of this image, but all the other image you can download from my website. Just place the upper side of this one, Control and select all this layer and make little bit down. Okay, and select your ship image. Okay, then select mask layer, go to brush, make opacity this time 34% and remove this extra water. So my friend, the effect is come out and the work is almost going to done. And next we just add shadow. So this is our take a blank layer, go to brush, select black color and apply this. This time you need some patience because this one is very important part of your work. Again make duplicate this one and apply this portion. Okay, so select all this layer, merge, select mask layer, go to brush, remove this area. So my friend, your 3DC is almost completed and you can add some extra images to provide amazing fantasy look. Select this one, just drag and drop this image, go to blending mode and select screen, just control minus, place this one like this, select this one and you can change the color of your background, and again select this one and go to and place this one upper side of your image, so it's provide amazing fantasy look. So my friend, the work is completed, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.